Fall is in the air, and I wouldn't be myself if I didn't do a cleaning and decoration video for my family. So in today's video, we are turning our space into a perfect fall haven. Whether you're all about the rustic vibes, the subtle neutrals, or going full pumpkin spice explosion, I have the perfect, elegant, but simple ideas that you have no choice but to fall in love with. With that said, let's get into the video. Hi family, welcome back to the video. I'm starting out with this table. I used to have this table behind my couch. This piece just gives a nice, definition to the back of the couch, so it's not so boring. I actually got it from Amazon. It was fairly inexpensive, but it looks really good. It also brings some warmth into the room, and it gives it that wood tone that I love so much. I have some of my old decor pieces here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add them. I'm not gonna put a lot on here. If you've watched a lot of my videos, you've seen a lot of these pieces, so I'm not gonna go into details, but this is one of the newest pieces, the vase. I actually got the vase from Ross, y'all, and I got two big ones, and I really like them. The baskets I got from Home Goods, and again, these are some of my old pieces. I really like them. And then I have this throw blanket that I got from Amazon. Again, a lot more of that warmth. It gives the fall colors, and I just think it's so beautiful and very simple. So this is a great way to define your living room, especially if you have an open concept. So let's move on to the coffee table. I actually did a detailed video on this coffee table. This is one of my favorite addition to my living room or to my entire home. This table is from Homery. It's super large, super cute. It has 4 drawers, and it's just really nice. It holds a lot of stuff, and then it also serves as a really nice decorative piece. Anyway, as I said, I already did a detailed video on this, so if you want to see it, go ahead and click some of my previous videos. You'll see the video I'm talking about. I forget the name, so I'm sorry. Anyway, I did go ahead and clean it, wipe it off, and I'm just putting back my decorative pieces. I did add that cute pumpkin that I got from Ross as well. Ross has a lot of nice things, y'all. And then I'm adding these beautiful, they're like boxes. They hold stuff like your remote, maybe a lighter for your candle, just things like that. But I love the black and white. It's super cute. Again, adding more decorative pieces here. I love my candles. Adding another pumpkin. I love the color of that pumpkin. It's so vibrant. And I did go ahead and bring my flowers back. All I did was change the water. I did use my old flowers. They're dead, but they're so pretty, and they give fall. They remind me of fall because this is what the flowers, the grass, the leaves, this is what they look like. So yeah, this is an overview of what the coffee table looks like. It's so pretty. It has a lot more color, and it's so vibrant. Anyway, moving on to one of my favorite pieces in the house, my bookshelf, whatever you want to call this. Leave the name below what you guys call this, okay? I'm moving some of the vases around so I can bring some more fall colors in here. Again, that is another vase from Ross. I think I have 3. I said 2, but I think I actually have 3. And by the way, I have my natural hair out. I got a silk press. My silk presses do not last because my hair is 100% natural. So by day 2, my hair is already starting to puff up. So this is what you see here. Anyway, I'm just dusting everything down. I added a few pumpkins in that vibrant vase, and I went ahead and closed it back up. Moving on to the fireplace and the mantle here. I love this side of the living room because a lot of times when people come in here, they can't tell there's a TV there until maybe if I have the TV on, or unless they look really closely. On camera, I feel like you can tell because it has a glossy look versus the wall itself, but when you walk into the room, you usually cannot see it. Anyway, I added another vase, one of the fall color vase. I really like that. It's like a orange, I don't know how to describe it, but it has so much life and so much color. I really like it. So anyway, I cleaned the mantle, dusted off, and put everything back, and just added that vase. Moving on to our couches, fluffing all the pillows and putting everything back. Nothing fancy here. As I said, I'm doing a really light fall decor this year. I'm not going super crazy. I'm just doing some really simple things to bring some fall into the living room, and you'll see that here once I'm done. I did add that black, it's not really black, it's like an ash gray throw blanket. I don't think you guys have seen that yet in any of my videos. Really like this pumpkin. It's so cute. It's like a pillow, but it's a pumpkin. I got this from Home Goods, and I actually saw another one at Ross. So if you're looking for something like this, check those two places. But yeah, this is what this side looks like. It's so cute. It's very calming, very simple, very elegant, but also it has some fall in here versus my usual neutrals. I love the pop of colors. I just love how calming it looks. Anyway, moving on to the other corner here. This is my favorite reading nook. I had a different chair here. It was a swivel chair. I took it out, brought the two chairs back, but I think I'm going to bring it back. Home decor and cleaning is one of my favorite contents to do. So you'll see that I'm always moving things around my house. I live for this, y'all. This is so calming to me, and it's just my favorite thing to do. So you'll see that I'm always moving things around. Today I have the two chairs, tomorrow I have a swivel chair, the next day I have something else. That is just part of my daily life and part of my daily routine. This is your niece Nadia, and I think this was her kindergarten yearbook picture or picture day picture. Anyway, the living room is done. Let's go ahead and move on to the dining room. I actually did a few shorts of these videos that you're seeing today. If you haven't seen those, check out my shorts, y'all. I post a lot more frequently on my shorts than I do on my actual timeline, if that makes sense. But anyway, I'm taking out everything again, just giving it a quick little clean. Using my handheld vacuum. I can try to link it. I always say I'm going to link things, but sometimes I forget, and you guys remind me, which is awesome, because whenever I forget, here you guys come letting me know that, hey, you said you were going to link it, you didn't, so go link it. So I like that. Anyway, I did my vacuuming. I usually do the top to bottom cleaning method, but the floors needed a really quick clean. So I went ahead and did it real quick because I was stepping on crumbs and food and all of that, and I didn't like that. So anyway, the table is clean. This was my old centerpiece. I'm gonna go ahead and switch it up for my beautiful fall centerpiece, and it's just gonna bring this whole area to life. I love the vibrant colors of this flower. I got this from Home Goods. It was pretty expensive for a Home Goods piece at least, but I've had it for a while now. If you've seen any of my fall videos, this is probably the second year that I'm using it, and I really like it. It's completely worth it because when I put this on the table, I don't need anything else. From the color to the size and the height, it just steals the show. I actually did a short asking you guys, do you decorate your dining table or do you just put a centerpiece? Sorry, y'all, got a text. Do you just put a centerpiece and just leave it plain? A lot of you were, I don't want to say conflicted, but some people like to decorate their tables with the spoons, the cups, the plates, just set it up. And then some people just like a simple centerpiece. I personally only like the simple centerpiece unless I'm having a dinner party or if I'm celebrating any holidays. Anyway, I showed you guys my plants in one of my old videos. They're still thriving. They're still alive. They haven't died. This is my first time in my whole life, my whole entire adult life, that I've been able to keep any plant alive, and I'm so proud of myself. I come and I talk to them every day and I spray them down with water, and they're just so beautiful. I'm so proud of them. And yeah. Anyway, moving on to the buffet table. This is the setup right now. That was my summer setup. I'm taking everything off so I can clean it, wipe it down, and go ahead and, add a little bit of fall here. So in order to do that, I'm taking the chairs out of the way so I can really get in there and clean it. The buffet table is from Homery. The buffet table is from Homery. It's really nice. It's black, white, and gold. I really, really love those gold accents because that is my favorite metal accent throughout my house. It's all gold. And so that's from Homery, the same place I got my coffee table from. And then the mirror, I usually get a lot of questions about that. The mirror is from At Home. It was kind of expensive because it's pretty large, but I think it fits perfectly in this space. So going back to redecorating my table, this is my favorite barbecue book. It has thousands of recipes in there, and they're simple recipes that anybody can follow. And then this is my second, cookbook. This is from the company Thrive Market. I actually featured them in one of my other videos. They have all like healthy foods and, just foods that are safe and healthy for the family. So they have a lot of those recipes there as well. So bringing back a lot of the old decor pieces. The only, 3 new things are the cookbooks. And then I got this beautiful vase from Home Goods. Not vase, it's like a tray. I like the, it looks like concrete and it's really heavy. I think it is concrete, but I like the nature of it. It just looks so nice. So I'm taking out the summer ones, and I did go ahead and, bring my tables. Why do I keep calling it tables? My chairs back. I get confused really easily, but anyway. That is the dining table. This corner here, I got the olive tree from Amazon. You can also find it in TikTok. If you follow me on TikTok, I've actually done a video on this. I really like it because it brings some green in here and it breaks up a lot of the neutrals and it just gives it a little bit of light. The vase I got from one of my tenants, and then I just added some green things in the vase to give it life. So yeah, this is what the dining room looks like. It's very simple. I have that one centerpiece, but the job is done. The centerpiece did its job. So moving on to the kitchen here. This again is the summer setup. I have been really, really loving this vase and the tree branches. I really like it. It's really simple and it's very modern and stylish, but we're gonna switch it up. So now I'm bringing another one of those vibrant vases and I'm just switching up the tree branch. I almost poked myself in the eye. And the way my face is serious when I'm cleaning, it needs to be studied, okay? I'm fresh face, natural hair. I was ready to get this fall decor thing going. And by the way, I have a huge living room update for fall that is coming up. Stick around for that. I'm going to be posting that video here in a few days. So please, please, please stick around for that. And if you haven't already joined the family, please go ahead and join the family now so you don't miss any of my home decor videos, my cleaning videos, and my natural hair videos. Speaking of natural hair, I have my hair update coming up. I have a few natural hair videos coming up for you guys. So stick around for that as well. And yes, I know I still have to make my updated vitamin videos, so I'm going to do that as well. This is what the vase looks like. I think it's absolutely beautiful. It's nice and simple, and it also brings some light and color into the kitchen. So just cleaning the kitchen, I usually just use soap and water, and I have a multi-purpose cleaner in the bottle, and I'm just spraying it on certain areas and wiping it off. So I have this cute little pumpkin, pumpkin candle. I have maybe 3 of these. I have one in the living room and I have one here in the kitchen. So anyway, bringing back the bar stools. These are one of my favorite. I know I say everything is my favorite in my house, maybe because it is. I just really love the pieces that I've carefully picked out and curated for my home. So yeah, this is what the kitchen looks like. It's nice, it's simple, it's calming, and it's just beautiful. So yeah, family, this is the living room, the kitchen, the dining room. I have the second living room in the basement to do. And again, I have a few other rooms to do. I have a few updates for you guys. So please stick around here. Stick around here so you don't miss those videos. Let me know what your favorite space that I did today is, whether it's the living room, the dining room, or the kitchen. Let me know. My favorite for today's video is actually the living room because I have a lot going on here. A lot, but not too much. And I love the vibrant colors. My second favorite will have to be the dining room because it's so simple, so calming, but yet you still have your fall. If you walked in here, you would know that I've decorated for fall. I did my best, okay? So yeah, comment your favorite space because there's one big open space. Comment your favorite space below. Let me know what room you want to see next and let me know what your favorite part of today's video is. And I know a lot of you are going to ask me where Nadia is. Nadia is at school as I'm doing this video. I can work better when she's at school because I can get a lot more done. Anyway, but I know you guys love seeing her, so I always have to say that. But thank you all again so much for watching. I love you all and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.